What is the first thing you do after waking up in the morning? Brush your teeth. The toothbrush and the toothpaste tube that we use and many other things like the bucket or the soap case are all made of plastic. But do you know that plastic is not only of a single type? See the symbol on the plastic bottle and see this on the container. This is an important symbol. But what does it mean? Let's learn. You will be surprised to hear that plastics are of 7 different types, and each type has a specific number. The first type of plastic is polyethylene terephthalate, PET or PETE. It is denoted by the number 1. It is commonly used for single-use bottled water or soft drinks. Reusing such items can be dangerous to our health. But some PET plastic items can also be used multiple times. Do read the labels carefully. PET plastic is easy to recycle. It is cut into small pieces and processed to make new plastic bottles. The second type of plastic is high-density polyethylene, HDPE. It is denoted by the number 2. This plastic is often used for pens, shampoo containers, bottles for glass and floor cleaners, which are used for storing floor and glass cleaning solutions, and is considered one of the safest forms of plastic. HDPE plastic is reusable, can be easily recycled 10 times. You must have heard of or used PVC pipes. This type of plastic is commonly used in construction and plumbing. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride. It is a type of plastic denoted by the number 3. It is very dangerous and releases toxins when exposed to heat. Products made using PVC plastic are not recyclable and hence not environment friendly. The grocery bags or car covers we use are the fourth kind of plastics. This type is called low density polyethylene, LDPE. LDPE plastic is reusable. Although this type of plastic is used widely, a very small amount of LDPE can be recycled. Imagine how many tons of waste we generate due to the use of LDPE plastic. Reducing the use of such plastic is very important to reduce pollution due to plastic waste. We saw that plastic water bottles are made of type 1 PET plastic. But what are the bottle caps made of? The fifth type of plastic is polypropylene, PP. It is denoted by the number 5. Polypropylene plastic is lightweight and is heat resistant. It is used to make bottle caps, plastic straws, and ice cream cups. It is considered safe for reuse, but currently only 3% of it is recycled. The sixth type of plastic is polystyrene, PS. Polystyrene is an inexpensive, lightweight, and easily formed plastic with a wide variety of uses. Polystyrene is used for making disposable foam drinking cups, packaging CDs and DVDs, etc. However, it is difficult to recycle polystyrene. Therefore, its use should be avoided. All other kinds of plastics are clubbed together and denoted by the number 7. This category is called Other. It is used to make various kinds of plastic products, for example, signboards, nylon ropes, etc. This type of plastic is also difficult to recycle. So now you know that the symbol of a triangle with 3 arrows represents the recycling symbol, and the number inside it tells us which kind of plastic the item is made of and how recyclable it is. Let us do a quick recap of the 7 types of plastics. Type 1, PET or PETE, easy to recycle. Type 2, HDPE, can be recycled 10 times. Type 3, PVC, it cannot be recycled. Type 4, LDPE, less than 1% of it can be recycled. Type 5, PP, only 3% of these are being recycled. Type 6, PS, it is tough to recycle. Type 7, Other, this type of plastic is difficult to recycle as well. Here is a task for you. Look for these numbers on different plastic items at your home and categorize them into the 7 different types to find out what can be recycled or reused.